These videos where cartoons and game maps get turned into real life are blowing up right now. They're pulling in millions of views, taking any animated scene, a cartoon house, or a Call of Duty map, and making it look like a real place someone filmed on their phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself, and all you need is a screenshot and 2 tools. I'll show you an example with the Nuketown map from Call of Duty, but there are plenty of options you could use. Any game map or cartoon scene works. Open our website, aicenturies.com, and go to the GPT library. Search for Real Cartoon and open it. That drops you straight into the GPT Inside Chat GPT. Click the starter that says, Upload a cartoon image to make it real. Take your screenshot. Click the plus icon. Upload your Nuketown map. Type daytime real and send it. The GPT reads the whole scene and hands you 2 things, a photoreal image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Head over to OpenArt and open the Image tab, then click Create Image. Under Model, select Nano Banana Pro. Open the output settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for shorts, and set the resolution to 2K. Add your screenshot as reference image 1. This is the important part, because it locks the layout so your real version matches the map exactly. Paste the prompt and click Generate. You'll get a vertical first-person shot of the map, but photoreal. Time to bring it to life. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. In OpenArt, switch to the Video tab and open Frame to Video. Under Model, select Kling 3.0 Omni. Upload your image as the start frame. Turn audio on, set the duration to 8 seconds, and set the resolution to 1080p. Paste the video prompt and click Generate. You'll get an 8-second clip where the camera walks up to the scene, a hand reaches out and presses the old TV display, and everything reacts like it's real. It even ends on a spoken line. Then repeat it for the next scene. I ran the Welcome to Nuketown sign through the exact same steps and got a clip that looks filmed in a real backyard. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.